guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a snow boot unboxing for you. Adidas and MONCLER with the NMD Mid. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at Adidas' collaboration with the French brands MONCLER. For those that don't know, MONCLER are renowned for their snow jackets, their outerwear. They've done a recent collaboration with Slade Bembury, one of my favorite designers. So Slade, if you're watching this, we know that you are. Big shout out to you. And you work with MONCLER. And they had the whole apparel wear, it's really cool. And yeah, it's a very high-end, very pricey jackets. And these boots themselves are quite pricey themselves. So we'll get into all that when we do the unboxing. And we got a look at the that stands for MONCLER, NMD Mid. We got this in the royal blue colorway in the UK size 8. It's European 42 and it's US 8.5. Before we get unboxing, let's show you the box actually. So it's got Adidas MONCLER logo on the top, and it's one of these very premium boxes. Just a quick spin for you. Get the lid off, and it comes with your dust bag, some white laces to go as well. Here's the top. Here's actually, there you go, it's a traditional snow boot. Adidas have done their boots before, I think with under the Yeezy brands, and I'm pretty sure they've done other Gore-Tex stuff. There they are. And this is more or less your traditional snow boot. If I didn't know any better, I wouldn't know that this is what from Adidas. I mean, the branding itself is heavily MONCLER. I can barely see an Adidas logo, but we'll go through. There is obviously some detailing there that obviously shows it is Adidas, and the technology inside is as well. But before we get into all that good stuff, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a TPU outsole, heavily lugged, and I know I'm going to take back what I said about you can't really see some Adidas' logo, but you can see tons here on the outsole. Where's the trefoil logo all around, and this TPU rubber. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is a boost encapsulated midsole. You've got a lot of TPU actually covering it as well. There you can see it, and you can see bits of that NMD DNA. So you got that blue and red. We've done the original NMD review, so do check that out if you get the chance. It's it was a cult favorite back in the day, like early 2017, 2016, 14, 15, like when Adidas were on top of their game. Everywhere you saw, everyone had a pair of Oneupreviewz or NMD. Now, I mean, it's a staple. I love boost technology personally, and it's great that it's incorporated in this snow boot right here. And we move along to the upper. So this upper, again, for those that don't know what a snow boot is, obviously it's there to combat the snow, the very cold temperatures. Usually used for snow skiing and all that. Never been skiing or snowboarding myself, and never been to the Alps. You usually see it a bit more there. And as I mentioned, it's a traditional aesthetic. If you look here, it's got a padding, it's got the Gore-Tex upper. So for those that aren't familiar with snow boots, you got the Moon Boots is probably the most famous brand, I'd say, in terms of snow boots, and well, they were synonymous with the early 70s, 80s fashion when people used to go to ski resorts for their holidays. I mean, people still do. I'd love to go on one. If anyone watching would like to fly your boys out, show some love in the comment section below. Anyway, whilst we're looking at the upper, again, I said that this is heavily padded. It's padded with a Gore-Tex outer shell. and you can see the Gore-Tex is on the toe box area. So if you look here, it's got the Gore-Tex seal of approval that's shown there on the toe to combat all the cold weather, the rain, the snow. Nicely insulated, so you got some down in here, so it's nicely padded and will keep your feet very warm. You've got your little rope laces all around. I mean, traditionally you can just fit your feet into some snow boots and you don't really have to, how can I say this, tighten it with some laces, but with the times you want to get that fit, you might want to make it a bit more snug. So you've got this and you've got the interchangeable white one that's I put back in the box. If you look at the detailing here again, so you've got these pull ropes here as well to tighten the upper, and you've got the Adidas logo there, it's red. And if you look closer, you've got the MONCLER Adidas logo there, it's like built into one. So, and if you look at the little loops that are keeping the laces together, it says Adidas, but it's in the shape of the MONCLER logo. And if you look at the back, you've got the MONCLER lettering also. You also got a pull tab to help you get easy access to your feet. And if you look at the insole, which is polyester, it's a synthetic insole with the Adidas logo also. So that rounds up my review. If I was to ever hit the slopes, which I probably will, I'd like to do some snowboarding at least. These are probably what I'm going to wear. Very good price. I mean, for some snow boots, it's what you expect, because snow boots are pretty expensive, and for a collaboration with a brand like MONCLER and Adidas, to be fair, it's relatively in the high price point right there. You find it. Really excited to try these on and show you guys how they look on. So I rolled out footage of me trying these NMD mids on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adidas fit. I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to Adidas sneakers. These fit perfect. And honestly, this is the first time with me wearing some snow boots. No, to be fair, no, we've done some North Face boots, but they weren't proper snow boots. These are like probably the first ones I've probably tried on. They look really cool on. It looks like I'm going to the Alps for some skiing. And they're very warm as well, like the padding, it's very comfortable around my ankles. It's very grippy as well, it's what you kind of need when you're wearing snow boots. The outsole, and yeah, I mean, I can't really feel the boost, but I know the underside of my feet it's feeling the comfort, but it isn't as deliberate or noticeable when I'm wearing a pair of Ultra Boost, for example. But these look really cool on. Wish I had a little getaway in the Swiss Alps sometime soon, but I don't. But if anyone wants to fund us going out there to try these on and do some snowboarding, hit us up on the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. If you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of grey tracksuit bottoms from Weekday. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. I want Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time guys, peace.